4 search warrants is fairly thorough. And like I said, if it leads us to the Vatican, I'll be headed to Rome.
From the air and ground, you're looking at investigators searching the offices of the Archdiocese of Galveston-Houston, looking for evidence in a priest sex abuse case.
KHOU 11, the first to break the story of this unprecedented search inside church headquarters and what the church deems its secret archives.
And Jeremy Rogowski was the only reporter there as law enforcement entered the front door of the church's main office right here in Houston.
He begins our team coverage. Jeremy, what can you tell us?
Well, I can tell you that 50 investigators, more than 50, spent the past 7.5 hours here examining records, confidential records. Their main focus is finding evidence against a priest already criminally charged, but they are bracing for anything else they may find.
Well, you see,
as dozens of investigators descended on the Archdiocese downtown, ready to box up evidence of clergy sex abuse in the Catholic Church.
if there's something to be covered up, I'm sure I'll find it.
A tough-talking district attorney delivered a strong message.
And whether it's a thumb drive or it's a pickup truck or whether it's a DPS van full of stuff, we're going to take everything that we believe is pertinent to our case.
That case is against Father Manuel LaRosa Lopez, charged in Montgomery County for molesting 2 teenagers at a Conroe parish some 20 years ago. Investigators already served warrants at 2 churches where he served, as well as a treatment center for wayward priests. Today's warrant, prosecutors confirm, covers access to the secret archives of the Archdiocese, which under canon law are completely closed and locked and contain documents of criminal cases in matters of morals.
Any information, regardless of where it is, whether it's in a secret vault, a secret safe, whether it's in a stuffed teddy bear stuck underneath some priest's bed, we're going to find it.
And in this one-on-one interview, Montgomery County DA Brett Ligon told us the search could lead beyond the criminal case of just one priest.
Anything that we lawfully obtain, if it leads us elsewhere, then wherever the investigation goes, it just goes.
So if you turn up evidence of potential criminal activity against another priest,
We would turn that over to the appropriate authorities.
those authorities, the Texas Rangers or the FBI. District Attorney Brett Ligon tells me he is in contact with the lead federal prosecutor here in Houston, who he says is keeping a close eye on the search executed here today. Len and Mia?
All right, Jeremy, thanks for the update there.
The Archdiocese of Galveston-Houston issued a statement writing that the search warrant is consistent with Cardinal DiNardo's pledge of full cooperation and that the information being sought was already being compiled.
The Archdiocese goes on to say the phrase you heard us use, secret archives, that's the church's term. It pertains to confidential documents kept in a secure manner for the protection of the privacy of individuals, not unlike medical records.